What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the vlogs. I have a special package for you. I've been waiting for this fucking package for weeks now because they were back ordered, and I finally got it in the mail after a couple weeks. But in this black box, we have something special that's gonna make the car look totally different. This is the first time I'm actually doing something like this to a car, so I'm actually really excited, and I'm actually excited to see how it's gonna turn out. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing really quick, and we're actually gonna install it. It's currently 12:31 in the morning, and it is my birthday, actually, March 26th. So I just turned 25 right now, so it's a nice little surprise that I got this on the day of my birthday. So I'm not gonna install it obviously right now, but for you, when I install it, it'll be like 5 seconds. So I'm gonna box this really quick because I'm actually really excited to see what it looks like. But let's do it. Some hardware. All right, let's see what these look like. It's the first time I'm seeing them, so. Ooh. So I got some Spec taillights from SubiSpeed. The sequential taillights. Oh man, these look sick. Shout out to my dad, of course. He actually pitched in some money to buy this for me for my birthday also. So obviously, I want to thank him for it also. Thank you so much, Dad. I love you. I love you so much. But yeah, these look really nice. Wow. Wow, I'm actually really excited to install them and see what they look like. Sheesh. Alright, let's pull out the other one. Very nice. Ooh, I'm so excited to see what these look like on my car. It's gonna make the rears look so much better. It's probably gonna make them look so much more aggressive because the OEM taillights are honestly not that good looking. So I'm actually really excited. But anyways, I'm gonna cut the video right here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna install them tomorrow or whenever, but I don't know. We'll see what tomorrow brings us. But for now, I gotta shower and go to bed. But for you, when I start installing these, it should be like literally 3 seconds, like literally, and a snap of a finger. But anyways, all right, I'll see you soon. All right, boys and girls, it is currently not even the next. Well, it technically is. It is the next day. It's March 27th now. So my birthday was yesterday. I didn't film anything, and I'm sorry if I didn't upload anything last week or the week that I should have. I was just spending time with all my friends, you know, relaxing. I took some time off from work and everything to relax and hang out. So sorry if I didn't upload anything, but hopefully this video will make it up to you. I'm gonna edit and upload this video as soon as possible so you guys could watch it. But today I'm going over to my friend's house and we're gonna install the taillights finally. So I'm gonna go meet up with my buddy. I'm gonna eat because I haven't ate all day and it's already almost 2 o'clock. It's already 2 o'clock actually. So I'm gonna eat, wait for him to get off work. We're gonna go to his house and we're gonna crack that out. And I'm super excited to see what these look like. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get my food, and then yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you guys care what I eat, but yeah, I'll pick up the camera soon.
So I need to break the ice. Look how nice, so nice. Car wash, son.
A car wash? Yeah, I haven't washed this car in so long, honestly. Look. Oh. Oh.
Are you off the ground?
I am off the ground.
Cinderella.
Hello, Joey. You've never
up?
been on the vlog,
What's up,
bro.
vlog? My name's Joey. How y'all doing?
You guys remember
How y'all
Manny?
doing?
So, like I showed you guys in the video, we're gonna install the taillights, and we're at Joey's house right now.
Oh yes, very nice.
These are sick.
Oh my god. It's gonna look so nice when we get them on.
I'm excited.
You know how to do this, right?
Yeah, super easy.
Is it?
Super easy.
Is that what they say?
No,
What's the thing you talk about, like when like if something always goes wrong?
Oh no.
No.
How bad could it be?
No. It's like the thing where it's like, oh, something always goes bad. It's the law.
Oh, what's the worst that can happen?
Something always goes wrong. You know what I'm saying?
Murphy's Law.
Murphy's Law.
Why are we talking about Murphy's Law?
Because you're like, oh, it's super easy.
Oh,
Never
yes.
say that.
Yeah, that's true. If Michael was here, he'd be very disappointed.
Oh, well, Michael's not here.
Because Michael would say, oh, it's super easy, and then something always happens.
Unreliable of Michael to not be here.
I'm gonna take all this junk out.
Insert fancy music. Elevator music. Elevator music.
We gotta take this shit out also. Here.
All the inside.
Yeah.
Dude, there's where you
On the floor.
Should I lay down?
Yeah, just lay down.
That's nice.
We just have to take these things out right here.
Yes.
Take 3 of these little
These clips?
clips.
Yeah, we need tool.
Little flathead.
Yeah, we could do it with our fingers, but
Yeah, we can.
it's gonna hurt. Manny, go first.
Did you take it out,
No.
Manny?
No.
Oh yeah.
There's only 2.
There's 3.
No, this one doesn't have one.
I'm gonna break my
No,
thumb.
no chance, bro.
Let's get a.
Yeah, just get a flathead.
Yeah, we just need to get a flathead. Flathead.
So since Michael's not here, we'll use Michael's tools.
Yeah. I was like, that's Michael's toolbox, huh?
Yeah, it is. That's right. He upgraded, so he gave me his hand-me-downs.
Oh. Yes.
Those aren't going back on.
We might not even have to take this off. We really have to take this off. This is the only thing we need to take off, dude. Why are we taking this off?
I'm in there, slowly but surely.
First try.
First try.
A first try, mate.
It's out.
All right, first one's out.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Pull.
Pull.
You can see right through your car, brother.
Nice.
Look at that. Oh, yo. It's gonna look nice.
gonna look nice.
Are these just plug and play?
They should be, for the most part.
Then
Those
what are
look
those?
sick.
Those. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Those look dope.
One after work at 1 a.m. You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna look sick when they're both on.
You should just leave it like that.
That's awful.
No.
Awful? Not awful.
Oh, bro.
Oh, now that is very nice.
What?
Are you having it on right now? The right blinker?
Oh,
yes.
Bro, look at that.
Very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, for the most part, they look pretty good.
Yeah,
Huh?
they do. They do.
But just this one thing right here, they were kind of damaged right here. Like when they resealed it or something, they just look a little damaged. But other than that, everything else looks fine. The fitment's kind of bad up here, but everywhere else it's okay, I guess. But not too bad for what they are. It's fucking. Dude, why is it hot?
Why is it
Why?
spicy?
What was that one thing? The beanie, whatever.
Beanie weenie.
Oh.
Beanie weenie.
Oh my god. I just love getting sniped with the AUG from across the map.
And I love getting beat with the FFAR when I'm using an SMG. I should have known. Assault rifles better up close. If the vlog didn't know, we play the occasional first-person shooter games, such as Warzone, Cold War.
Yes.
A little bit of Apex
Alright.
here and there.
We don't play much Cold War though, for
Alright.
obvious reasons you guys should know. Obvious.
The second one's out.
Bro, looks sick.
This one fits. It's almost the same, honestly.
Spicy meatball.
So sick.
Hey, like pepperoni. Meatball.
Spicy meatball.
mozzarella, Oreo. Lychee.
Lychee.
All right, let's see if these work now.
Of course they're gonna work.
The
Richard.
Yang test.
You installed them. Of course they're
Ready?
Yes. Oh, yep. Yep.
It worked.
Brake lights, turn signal.
These are the running lights.
Yep.
Other side.
Yep. Yeah, you're good on brakes.
Yep. You're good. It looks so nice. Oh yes.
Oh,
Very
yes.
nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Watch this bullshit.
Somebody ding my car. Very upset. Very nice. I'm fucking pissed.
Dude, we were walking out of, and he's like, Manny. And I was like, yeah. And then I come over, he's just pointing, he's like this, bro. He's like, and I'm like, what? And he's like, dude. And he like starts like picking. He's like, bro, that's under the clear coat. It was so funny.
I got so fucking mad. I was livid.
Oh, it's a Forester. Very nice.
Like the white stands out in the sunlight and it looks so nice just with it off.
Oh, sorry.
Like the left one's in the sun more, but I think the one on the left looks super nice. The one on the right is out of the sun, and they both just look great.
I'm curious what they're gonna look like when
nighttime?
at nighttime. Yeah, at nighttime
out
I'm really
very soon.
curious. They look cool though. I like them. They make the rears look so much better. I hated hated just the red.
Your
Only
wheels, the exhaust, the taillights, it's all coming together.
Yeah.
Now what you need is to get rid of your license plate, honestly.
All right, boys and girls, we are back at my house. It's been a couple days since I installed the lights. I've just been busy with doing stuff and all that, relaxing and all that. I'm finishing editing up this video, and I just had to close it out, so that's what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I like getting my friends more involved in my videos because I just think it's a lot more fun with all my friends in it, or at least a couple of my friends in it, just because it shows you like the relationship I have with my friends and how nice those guys are and everything. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a little all over the place. There wasn't much storytelling. I know there was a bunch of random stuff happening. I just watched over all the footage and pretty much finished editing except closing out the video, and it's kind of a crazy video. Definitely not a normal video nonetheless, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching the video. You guys are so awesome. We just hit 400 subscribers and you guys are crazy, you know, like I really just can't thank you guys enough for like all the nice things you guys always comment on my video, you know, all the support, all the love that you guys show me every time I upload a video. You guys are like so awesome. Like, we're seriously, without you guys and without your love and support, I don't think I'd be making these videos anymore, because I just lose motivation and just, you know, and all that. So I appreciate you guys all so much for supporting my channel, watching my videos, giving it likes, subscribing. Even though I don't ask you guys, I just appreciate that you guys do those things and that you guys enjoy my content enough to even push those buttons and everything. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you guys all so much, and I just love you guys all so much. So but I'm gonna end the vlog here, you guys. I'm just gonna finish editing the video, upload it as soon as possible so I could get it out to you guys, okay? So anyways, thank you guys all so much for watching, and like always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.